Okay, that'd be so. You want it available after the disabled ramp.
See how long it takes.
For your safety, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving, and supervise children. Be sure to hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
Driver, your turn is correct. Wait for it. Wait for it.
And driver, your turn is clear.
I know what you're saying.
We are now approaching the entrance plaza. Before entering the parks, we'd like to remind you that smoking is not permitted except in designated areas. Shirts and shoes must be worn at all times. If you have brought your own food and beverages, we ask that you please use the picnic area located just to the left of the Disneyland main entrance. If you plan to leave the park and return later today, please keep your park ticket and have your hand stamped as you exit. At the end of your visit, please return here to take the Mickey and Friends tram back to the parking area. The trams will continue running until 1 hour after Disneyland closes. Please stay seated until the tram comes to a full stop. Then gather your belongings, watch your step, and exit to the driver's right. Thanks for traveling with us today, and we hope you have a happy...
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're now approaching our one and only stop. Please remain seated until the tram comes to a complete stop. Once it stops completely, you'll be exiting to the driver's right-hand side. Driver's right-hand side only. Once again, please remain seated until the tram comes to a complete stop. Alright, pull up on the handle.